Let's go, everyone! Today, super excited to be unboxing this Apple Store exclusive Satechi aluminum foldable stand. So this is similar to the Satechi R1, but for some reason this version model is exclusive to Apple stores only. So just decided to get this one. I'll drop a link in the video description on where you can get the R1 from, but R1 looks really similar, so honestly don't know the difference. They're the same price point, pretty much like the same, so check it out. This is gonna be a iPad stand, making my cat a cat living room, and have an iPad for her big screen TV, and this is gonna be the stand for it. So super excited. All right, nothing else there. Oop. All right, thank you, you're welcome. Instructions. Very super adjustable, foldable, compact. All right, let's get into the good stuff. Wow, very sturdy. Right off the bat, I can tell this is really sturdy. It says Satechi. Here's the base. Then super adjustable. It's firm. Feels very sturdy. You do have to use a good amount of force to adjust it, but I like that. It's like good hinges. Here, like one adjust on its own. Yeah, very adjustable. Very nice color. Kind of looks like a space gray. But yeah, again, I'll drop a link in the video description on where you can get the R1 version of this. And let me know what you think of this product in the comment section below. And let me know if you know the difference between this and the R1 that's sold exclusively at Apple. So this is the Apple exclusive, Apple Store exclusive. Same price point. Let's go. Cool, everyone. Hope you're all doing well. Catch you all for the next unboxing video. Later.